we have seen that how to implement various operators like addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication, division, power, exponents, and many more. We have also learned what is floor division and what is modulus operator. Guys, in this video, we are going to study about strings, how to implement them, what is the special meaning, and how to print them. Guys, stay tuned with me. As I have promised, I will take a shout out to the winner of the previous quiz question. Now, I am going to give a big shout out to Sakshi Bidway as she is the winner of previous quiz question. Guys, stay tuned for more quiz questions and win them.
Now, let's begin with strings. String is a combination of characters. Guys, you should use single quotes or double quotes to write a string. Let's start writing a string. Single quotes J. Press enter. Yes, it got printed, right? We can write a string with the help of double quotes too. Let's write double quotes J. Enter. It got printed, right? But guys, I don't want the double quotes. Can we remove them? Yes, we could. Let's start writing a function. What is a function? Function is a predefined or preset of some program or coding which is valuable for our conditional task. Let's start by writing a predefined function, that is a print. print print. print. Now see, print is a predefined function, so it is a keyword for Python, so it got changed into purple text. Let's write print double inverted commas, or you may use single inverted commas too. Let's use single inverted commas for while. Print, let's print J now, enter. Yes, I got printed J. Now let's try one more example. Print brackets single quotes J's laptop. Let's print that. J's laptop, enter. Oh shit, what did happen? Oh, I got an invalid syntax error. Guys, my string, that is J's laptop, got breaked in between. Let's see. J to Y is a part of one string that is indicated in green color, and S laptop is not included in a string. Guys, that single quotes take the string, that is J, and there is no pair of single quotes left with S laptop. So I should do one thing. I should take now double quotes. Wait, I'll take double quotes and then try to print J's laptop. Yes, see, I got it. J's laptop. Now, what if I have single and double quotes both in my text? Let's try one example. Guys, please ignore the background voice. I'm not able to control it. Sorry. Now let's try J's laptop. J's laptop in double quotes, right? Laptop. Okay, let's press enter. Invalid syntax. Yes, again the letter S got skipped from the string. We have two strings, that is J to Y and L to P, but there's no inclusion of that S. Now we should tell Python, yes, Python, please remove the special meaning of that apostrophe which is taken as a single quote while making the string. Please Python, do it. Now Python suggests a way, right? Let's try it out. Write print, then take the single quotes, then write JAY. Now before writing apostrophe, just give a backslash apostrophe S, then double quotes laptop, and then press enter. Yes, we got the output, right? The backslash tells the Python that, hey Python, please remove the special meaning of that single quote. Yes, now we got the answer. Okay, now what if I want to write one text? See which text I am writing. It's in single quotes. Let's write, I am writing a location of one of my folder. It's C colon slash docs backslash new. It's the location of my file. Sorry, I got a printing mistake. Docs. Let's press enter. Oh shit, It's something new, right? C colon backslash D OCS, but where does that backslash N went? Oh, Python took it as a special. Wait, let me ask Python once again. Please Python, ignore the special meaning of backslash N and take its normal meaning. But guys, what does backslash N means? Backslash N refers the compiler to start a new line with the further string. Hence, EW got adjusted to the new line. But we told Python to not to do so. Then Python suggested a way, that is, first write R and then write your string, that's R double inverted comma, or we can write it simply as R single quotes C colon backslash docs backslash new. Yes, now it got printed. Guys, you may be enthusiastic to learn more, right? Yes. Now we'll do one thing. I have to print J twice. We can do it, right? J. We can do it, right? We can do J and press enter. Yes, we got it twice. But I'm a bit lazy. Now let's try that. What does operator suggest me? J plus J. Let's try this. Oh, I forgot to give single quotes. Guys, please, you don't forget to give single quotes. It will result to an error. Press enter. Yes, we got it. Operators also work. This is known as concatenation. Guys, it is known as concatenation of strings. Okay, now I have to write J 10 times. How can I do that? I can simply do that by writing 10 multiplied by the string, that is J, and press enter. Yes, I got the output as J written 10 times. Yes, it is known as concatenation. Guys, yes, Python is really learning fun. Please continue the series to complete the full course of Python. Stay tuned with me. I will come up with more videos.
So guys, how was the video? In today's video, we have learned what is a string and what are its applications. Guys, in next video, we are going to study about variables. So guys, here's the quiz question. Go fast and answer the quiz question. If you enjoy learning Python, give a big thumbs up. Write the answers to quiz question in the comment box. And do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay well.